Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Denison mines. This was a stock analysis request from one of the followers, and I just wanted to remind you that anyone can make these requests and I will most likely cover them, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to follow. Now, in the case of this chart, we are tracking the uptrend from the all-time low around March 2020. And here we managed to form a really nice 5-wave move to the upside, and we can safely mark this as a wave 1 up, and then we could be looking for a wave 2 in the support zone between, let's see, the 38.2% retracement at the 58 cents level down to the 32 cents level down at the 78.6% retracement. Now, to be honest, I believe we actually already bottomed here in a wave 2, and it's not clear. We did actually have the lowest low here. I am still considering that maybe we can use this as the low. It doesn't matter too much. The idea is we have already pushed once to a new high, and now again we pushed to another high, so I find it very improbable that we would still be able to get back here within this wave 2. When you get an overshooting wave B or something, it's usually not with two overshoots. So in this case, I would instead be focusing on the idea that here we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and now we could well be in the third wave to the upside. Overall, the third wave within an even larger wave 3. Now, the support zone that we would have expected to find here for a 1-2 setup would have been between the $1.7 down to the $1.14, and we did find support in this area, even though one day we opened below it, but we recovered quite quickly and managed to hold the support and even create this reaction to the upside that could very well be developing into the overall third wave. Now, it is difficult based on the structure we have at hand to determine the exact nature of this movement, because I could really see it developing as a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup, and then here we could start a very strong third wave. But overall, I would be very cautious generally, and I prefer to enter the safer areas. And in this case, a more conservative approach would be to be looking for the next 1-2 setup, really, and I believe that is more probable to form overall. And in that case, I might even consider that this is developing as a leading diagonal within the wave 1, where this was a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, then this could have been the third wave up, a fourth wave down here, and now we would be in the fifth wave to the upside. Now, that would be the way to have an approximate count in how this could unfold, and then within this fifth wave we would still need to form an ABC pattern to actually complete it, and then I would be looking here to have this as a wave A, wave B incoming, and then the C wave to follow to the upside to complete this fifth wave. Now, there is also the possibility that this is still within the third wave, and then we would be looking for a retracement that could go much deeper within the wave 4. If I were to look for support for a wave B, I would be looking at the area between the $2.2 level down to the $2 level at the 78.6% retracement. If I were looking for a wave 4 support zone, let's see, I would be looking at the area between the $2.17 down to the $1.74 level at the 61.8% retracement. So I want you to keep in mind that it's not guaranteed that we get another high within this fifth wave to the upside. It could be that we are in an overall larger correction still within the wave 1, that would be, but I would go as far as to have a different label in case you are interested in entering the support zone that is closer to you and not miss out on the opportunity to have the profits that could be found within this wave C. This has still quite a lot of potential, and it's not even certain or clear that this wave A is fully complete yet. It is possible, however. We did get a decent retracement within the last couple of days. And in this case, I would be looking for the support zone that we have here in blue. But that is your choice. I'm just pointing out that a break below this blue zone or even this low here is not necessarily an invalidation of the continuation to the upside, but instead I would be focusing on the area down to the 61.8% retracement for a direct validity in the count that pushes directly forward. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.